The purpose of this video demonstration is to show a couple of the different strategies we are practicing in class to solve a variety of type of elapsed time word problems in math. The first strategy I'm going to demonstrate is the strategy where we use a timeline to find either start time, elapsed time, or end time. In this particular problem, we are going to be looking for end time. It says Mrs. Bush's class started their science investigation at 1:30 p.m. They worked hard for 1 hour and 10 minutes. What time did they stop and take a break? You can see that we started at 1 p.m. and that we worked for 1 hour and 10 minutes. This is an example, like I said, of finding the end time. What time did they stop? So using line down here, we're going to set up so we actually start and we're going to count in half-hour time segments. So our first one here is going to be 1 o'clock, and then our second one is going to be 1:30. Our third one will be 2 o'clock, and then 2:30, and then 3 o'clock, and then 3:30. Our start time here is at 1:30, so we always put a big circle on our timeline to show our start time. It says that we worked for 1 hour, so our first jump on our timeline is going to be 1 hour later. So I think in my head 1:30 plus 1 hour is 2:30. So I'm going to make my first elapsed time jump to the 2:30 mark on my timeline. And I'm going to label this to represent that's my 1 hour jump. So check, I completed the 1 hour. Now I have to do the 10 minutes. To do the 10 minutes, we have to add smaller timing in here. And just like around the clock, we count by fives, we want to do the same thing on our timeline. So in order to do that, we have 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45, 2:50, 2:55, and then 3. So for our 10-minute jump, we'll go 5, 10. And now I'm going to label this was our 10-minute. Now that we have completed our elapsed time, let's check to see what is our end time. 2:30, 2:35, 2:40.